Data types. In programming languages, every value or data has a type is known as data type. Some data types are string, integer, float, boolean. Now let's learn one by one. String means a stream of characters enclosed within quotes. Stream of characters like capital letters from A to Z, small letters from A to Z, digits from 0 to 9, special characters like tilde, exclamation mark, at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage, bitwise period, question mark, comma, and space. Some examples are hello world, some at the rate example.com, 1234, integer, all whole numbers, positive, negative, and zero, without any fractional part come under integers. Examples -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Float, any number with a decimal point. Some examples are 24.3, 345.21, -321.86. Boolean. Booleans are true or false. Notice that both start with a capital letter. Now let's see how to assign a value to a variable. Sub equal to subscribe. This is the syntax assigning a string value subscribe to a subvariable. In Python, when we assign anything to a variable, we call it as object. For example, we call it as int object instead of int data type. Why means Python is a object-oriented programming language. That means in Python, everything related to objects